वेलकम बैक डियर व्यूअर्स, मेरा नाम अभिषेक है और मैं आपको स्वागत करता हूं ISHM एडु नेटफ्लिक्स पे और एक एक्साइटिंग वीडियो फीचर पर। Today we are going to discuss something really exciting and something which is very common. Today we are going to discuss about 7 facts about coffee you probably did not know.
For never-ending interesting knowledge, please do not forget to subscribe to our very own YouTube page and do not forget to click on the bell icon for upcoming updates.
Coffee is the world's favorite hot drink with an estimated 2.25 billion cups that is drunk every day. Voltaire ने 50 कप एक दिन में पीता था 83 साल तक. So coffee addiction isn't too bad. We discovered 7 reasons why you might want to sip a cup of coffee right now. As a bonus, you'll also find a simple recipe for a unique coffee cocktail जो हम आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे. Coffee. Number 1. Coffee boosts brain power. It might turn you to a little genius for a while because caffeine और glucose आपके certain sectors of the brain में कुछ activate करते हैं which stimulates the central nervous system. The neural activity releases adrenaline in your body in many ways. Your heartbeat increases, blood pressure rises, and the sugar level is released into a bloodstream, which can develop a lot of energy, and it can help improve attention and concentration. Remember that slump right after lunch and sometimes what you call siesta time? Well, you can always take that sip of coffee and increase your stimulativeness. Sometimes coffee is effective in boosting brain performance from those suffering from jet lag or shift work sleep disorder. However, never drink coffee on an empty stomach because it will do the direct opposite. Regular coffee drinkers generally tend to have coffee on a full stomach. Number 2, coffee increases the blood pressure. If you are going to a doctor and if you have a history of blood pressure, ask the doctor before your regular intake of coffee. You should limit or stop drinking caffeinated beverages. On the other hand, hypertension or low blood pressure can be a serious life-threatening problem. A tiny cup of coffee can really do wonders. You can add a cup of cafe and needed beverage to each meal to basically control your blood pressure. Number 3, coffee makes your immune system stronger. It is known for its energy boosting. Caffeine effect is an abundant source of nutrients and helpful chemicals into your body which develops your immune system. According to scientists, coffee reduces the risk of premature death. This is because coffee alters your immune system and makes it stronger and healthier. And coffee contains a lot of antitoxic and phenolic components which allows in cancer prevention. It also improves your coffee contains a fewer nutrients and more chemical additives. And one more important fact for Parkinson's disease research suggests that among other factors, the potential preventive effect may be also caffeine. Next, coffee basically relieves a headache. People with migraines are aware that coffee, tea, soft drinks and chocolates, that caffeine is contained in a variety of over-the-counter medications. That is why it is an ingredient in many pain relievers. It can make them as much as 40% more effective, and the strength of the medication and how quickly it works. So enjoy the stimulating and pain relieving properties of caffeine in moderation. Number 5, coffee reduces stress. Coffee acts as a major anti-stress substance due to the release of dopamine and serotonin and trigger a good mood in one cup. Even the smell of coffee can calm your nerves, and this lowers the risk of depression among coffee drinkers. Coffee every day appears to reduce the rate of suicide in men and women by 50%. This is a survey that has been done by many scientists. It is what keeps depression at bay, and very interestingly, caffeine contained in the coffee has this effect, as opposed to the coffee contained in a soda or any other beverage. Number 6, coffee improves your memory. Coffee can positively affect mood, enhance alertness, and memory abilities. The stimulators and neuromediators obtained from coffee not only boosts your mood but productivity, but this only works with your short-term memory. But this is good enough because all information is initially stored in a short-term memory, and it does enter into a long-term memory under particular substances. At times when it gets a little difficult to focus, a coffee break will offer a welcome change in the mind and improves concentration and stimulating moods. All in all, coffee is an enjoyable drink that can boost energy and increase the ability to learn and remember. Finally, number 7. Coffee helps you lose weight. Coffee lovers file this under the best news ever, and coffee can keep off and help you lose that excess weight. It can temporarily suppress your appetite and stimulate minimum calorie burning when the level of hormone leptin is low and body starts storing fat and you gain weight. Coffee, however, increases the hormone levels in your body. Now you know why coffee lovers take longer to gain weight, and most exercises yields result boosted with a cup of coffee. And here's a bonus, the amazing coffee cocktail recipe. If you're looking for something sweet to pair your milk, then this recipe is a must. It is deliciously smooth and very, very refreshing. Take your favorite coffee, let it cool off, and then fill ice cubes with the coffee place in it and place it in the freezer. The coffee cubes to a glass of milk and it might feel wonderful. The coffee cubes just...
Please subscribe to our YouTube page for more exciting information, and also visit us on our Facebook page for more updates. You can also visit our website at www.ishm.co.in.